Welcome to Eternia Home, your ultimate destination for all your home needs. Step into a world of sophistication and functionality, where quality and style unite. Ensure that you find the perfect pieces that enhance your home and inspire your creativity. From elegant kitchen appliances that make cooking a breeze, to stunning tableware that adds a touch of glamour to your dining experience, Eternia Home offers an extensive collection that caters to every style and preference. Equip your kitchen with cutting-edge appliances designed to simplify your culinary adventures and elevate your kitchen with exquisite tableware and servingware.
Welcome to Eternia Home by Plastic World. We are now at MG Road in Secunderabad with a wonderful range of products related to home and kitchen. Our products are thermoware, glassware, porcelain and beautiful ceramic. We have storage ideas and we have electrical appliances. Please check it out.
At Eternia Home, we carefully select each item, ensuring they meet the highest standards of craftsmanship, durability, and style. From stylish cookware that makes meal preparation a breeze, to servingware that adds a touch of elegance to your gatherings, Eternia Home has everything you need to create the home of your dreams. Visit our conveniently located store today and experience the allure of Eternia Home for yourself. We promise to transform your home into a heaven of style and functionality. Eternia Home, where quality meets style. Elevate your living experience with Eternia Home.